Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is motivating college students to learn. Ladies and gentlemen, definitely if a student is studying thoroughly in any educational institution, he or she is going to get a good job, a good salary. And students study majorly from this point of view. After all, how are you going to utilize your qualification in real life market? So job is the first criteria on the basis of which people, students, they get motivated. So how can we motivate students to learn more and more? Nowadays, in different professional colleges, the major source of motivation is campus placement drives. The colleges that provide campus placement drive facilities to the students, they are able to motivate their students more and more because they can realistically tell the students that what type of job markets are available to them according to their qualification and what type of companies the college is going to invite once they complete their final year. And inside any college campus, the training and placement team thoroughly analyzes that what type of students are studying in that educational institution, what is their need, what is their requirement, what kind of subjects they are studying, and depending on that, relevant companies are contacted and then they are invited to the educational institution. And since the training and placement officer already knows that what is the basic requirement of the students of my college, that training and placement officer exactly brings industries according to that, and this is the reason why large number of students they get selected in different campus placement drives. The training and placement team thoroughly analyzes that what courses are going on in a particular educational institution. BTech, MBA, BBA, BCA, B Pharma, D Pharma, Polytechnic, journalism, mass communication. Now there are different types of courses happening in different types of educational institutions and even group of institutions, and depending on these courses, the training and placement officer and his entire team, they thoroughly try to be in constant touch with different professors of different department, with different HODs of different department, and then they try to understand that what is the needs and requirements of specific student belonging to a specific course. And depending on that, depending upon interaction with faculty members of different departments, depending upon interaction with students of different departments, they thoroughly come to know that what they are exactly looking for, and depending on that, the training and placement team targets relevant industries. And then those industries, they come to those educational institutions, the campus and placement drive is organized, and students, they get selected according to their caliber and knowledge. Now, inviting different types of industries within the college campus is the responsibility of training and placement team, but after that, everything lies on the shoulders of students. Once the training and placement team, once the organization, is inside the college premises for the campus placement drive, after that, everything is in the hand of students. It all depends on how thoroughly they are preparing themselves to participate in campus placement drive. Their thorough preparation gives them desired jobs. Industry is there inside the college premises. The training and placement team has thoroughly briefed students that how the campus placement drive will take place, what rounds will be there, face-to-face, group discussion, other such things. Now, after that, everything lies on the shoulders of students. If they are thoroughly prepared for written test, if they are thoroughly prepared for face-to-face interview, if they are thoroughly prepared for group discussion, only then they will be able to qualify the campus placement drive. So providing opportunities is the responsibility of college. Availing those responsibilities is completely the job of students. Providing responsibilities is the job of educational institution. Availing those responsibilities is the job, the responsibility of students. How thoroughly they are prepared, that will decide that whether they will get that particular job or not. Now, one more thing is there. There are many students who don't get selected in campus placement drives, maybe because they are nervous whenever they face the HR, or due to any other reason. In such case also, the training and placement team, they thoroughly guide those students that how they should end their nervousness, how they should enhance their communication skills, and how they should uplift their personality so that they can thoroughly present themselves in front of the visiting HR. Your confidence level gives you the job primarily. If you are able to face the HR confidently, rest everything will take care of itself. Now, this is the scenario of those colleges which are providing campus placement drive facilities, but what about those colleges who are not having this facility? Ladies and gentlemen, job is requirement of every type of student, whether he is studying in a college that is providing campus placement drive or that is not providing campus placement drive. Ultimately, every student requires job. So in such a scenario, the administration of that particular college, the teachers, the professors of that particular college, they must try to tell realistic things to the students that how they are going to get job after completing the courses that they are doing. They must show a realistic vision to their students. Okay, they are not having this campus placement drive facility, but they are intelligent. Professors are always knowledgeable, always intelligent. They can definitely guide those students that how they have to look for relevant jobs according to their qualification once they finish their graduation or PG, whatever they are doing in that particular college. Teachers must guide such students thoroughly. They must make students aware of outside atmosphere. They must make students aware of the current corporate market, what they exactly demand. Ladies and gentlemen, the colleges where there is no campus placement drive facility, the responsibilities of professor becomes even more. Because in colleges where there is campus placement drive facility, the training and placement team is a dedicated team that thoroughly guides students that how they should prepare for their interviews, and then the same team organizes large number of campus placement drives. The same team invites different types of industries to the college, and then they take care of the entire training and placement process. But what about those colleges which is not having this facility? In that case, the responsibility of the professors of that college becomes even more. They have to teach their students thoroughly. Along with that, they must thoroughly guide their students that what off-campus opportunities are available in the study that they are making in that particular institution. Even if the college is not having campus placement drive facility, still the students need to be motivated in such a manner that they are fully confident that, okay, my teacher has taught me so many crucial things that once I am out of this college, I will definitely be able to get a job. Even if my college is not providing campus placement drive facility, still my teachers have motivated me in such a manner. They have guided me thoroughly and realistically about the current job market that yes, I will be able to get the job. Doesn't matter whether this college is having campus placement drive facility or not. My teachers have taught me thoroughly. My teachers have told me the right direction, how to get the desired job after I am out of this college. So this level of confidence must be developed in the mind of students of that particular college which are not providing campus placement drive facility, and this responsibility completely lies on the shoulders of honorable professors, honorable teachers of that particular college which is not having campus placement drive facility. Ladies and gentlemen, the ultimate target is putting students in the right place. If campus placement drive facility is there, guidance plus opportunity, it can help students. And the colleges where there is no campus placement drive facility, only thorough guidance can help students. So that's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.